So let's move along here and let's go on to IE Enhanced Security Configuration. And you'll see that it's on by default. And I will tell you that since this is a server, I would recommend leaving it on. But again, because this is a learning environment and I know that I may jump out to the internet and want to show you stuff and not have all this extra security in place, I'm going to go ahead and click on the link and turn off the enhanced security. But again, I really need to emphasize, I'm only doing this because this is a learning computer. You don't want to do this on a production server, ever. Okay, you want to have that extra security. You don't want to have problems because of people out goofing around the internet on a server, which is just crazy. All right, the next thing we have here is the time zone, and it's defaulted to the Pacific time zone, which I'm going to say that that's probably because Microsoft's headquarters are actually in the Pacific time zone. I'm going to go ahead and change this time zone to the Eastern time zone. The reason is because this server is representing a New York server for the Global Mantix network, okay, Global Mantix company that we're using here. This is set up in New York, so we'll go to the Eastern time zone. We have that set up. Click OK. And that pretty much brings us to the end of configuring the server. Okay, that's kind of the end of the initial configuration task, if you want to call it that. Okay, the old initial configuration tool. So now that we've done that, just real quick here, like I said, I don't want to go through all the different aspects of Server Manager because we're going to learn it as we go along with the various things that we're going to do in this course. But let me go ahead and jump back over to the dashboard. And just a couple of quick things that I'd like to go over with you is I just want to show you, we did number one, right? Configure this local server. But we also have this 2, 3, and 4 in this little welcome section.